Guys, good morning to everyone. I'm already on this same river. I moved a little to a different spot. Then I walked by the river and found an amazing spot. I arrived at 6 a.m. but didn't start filming immediately. I just found an awesome spot. And we'll try to catch something. I set one fishing rod in this bush and the other in that one. Guys, these places are wild, full of animals. And carp. And asp and pike perch. And the red Crucian carp, the one from the swamp. I'm looking forward to it myself. I don't know what this river will give me today. But today I'm in a fighting mood. Quiet. He led us into the reeds. Come on, come here. Look at this Crucian carp. Just look at this Crucian carp. Damn, the camera is falling. I hope it doesn't get away. Oh man, what a beauty. Holy moly. Oh, phew. Guys, that's at least 1.5 liters. Ooh. That's really 1.5 liters. Check out how big this Crucian carp is. Black, hunchbacked. Look at the hump on its back. Around 1.3 to 1.5 kilos. Like this. A 1.3 kilo carp. Hooked perfectly on the lower lip. I really worked him. A ton of worms. He took it. Oh, hooks. Good ones. The fishing line is strong and reliable. Bites are rare, of course. But for fish like this, it's worth the wait. For beasts like this, it's really worth the wait. My leg. 43 my leg. Just to show the size, friends. Here's a 300-gram Crucian carp for comparison. And here's a Crucian carp, 1.5 kilos. Oh damn. It doesn't fit in the bucket. If I had known there were such beasts here, I would have brought a net. This is the treat I'm giving him. See how it is? I'd eat it myself. There are probably 4 or 5 of them here. I tore it, then put it on like this. Well, that's basically it. I showed you between the bushes where I cast this fishing rod. It's shallow there, that's duckweed. It floats past the bobber. It's fine. It doesn't pull the fishing line. Oh. Perfect, I just cast it. Just perfect. Come here. Another one, friends. Look. Swallowed. This fishing rod has 2 hooks. I put a maggot on one and a worm on the other. It took both hooks, see? That's a cute little Crucian carp, though it's not the big one. But still. He swallowed 2 hooks. He must have been very hungry. I've already cast it right here. Well, this fishing rod closer, because the duckweed keeps drifting. The fishing line is being pulled. In short, it's unbearable. Wow, damn, look at that. It was healing. I hooked one, he ate it alone. He ate one, guys, and with the second one, I just snagged him. Not big, but still. It's nice. It's nice on the wild river. To catch a Crucian like that, it's worth a lot. Go to your older brothers. Wow. Subtitles. This one's a real giant. Subtitles by Dima Tozok. Subtitles. Oh. This is a blade. Damn, just don't come off. Just don't come off. It's not holding well. Oh, got it. Oh, that's a good one. Like this. About 800 grams. About 800 grams of Crucian carp. Yellow and black, beautiful. The bite was something else. First it lifted, then pulled under. Guys, there are some huge Crucian carp in this river. They're just monsters. Monsters of the wild river. Wow, I grabbed a bucket. This is wild. Check this out. Whoa. Well, this is just something else. This one, well, just wow. Yellow. We should have brought the net. I've been waiting, guys. The Crucian carp doesn't seem very big. The Crucian carp here is definitely strong. Black, look at it. It's just pitch black. He kept messing around with the trunks, messing around, probably for about 50 minutes. And finally he took them. A handsome dark-haired guy. I don't know, maybe a few grams. He's about 350, 400 grams. Well, there you go. But he's a lively guy. He's a good guy. He put up a good fight. I set it up earlier. I was catching that little bastard. Guys, I put on a worm. Look, he swallowed it real good. Damn, swallowed it all the way. I don't like that. Listen. I put the worm on. And I added 2 maggots. It actually works better with maggots, I have to say. I forgot to bring the semolina. I'd like to try it with semolina too. Man, these hooks, guys. Just, you can hardly unhook them. Look, I can't unhook it. On the dead ones. It was being conducted. Oh, those hooks, damn. Oh, it's biting, guys, rarely, but right on target. The weather today is, of course, just perfect. Just gorgeous. Come here. Pecked out by lunchtime. It's already 11:30 in the morning. It started pecking a bit. Look, it's also very black. A black beauty. It's small, of course. Small, but still. And thank you for that. It let him take a good gulp. Because before that I had it. One bite was a miss. It also started to pull. I rushed it. I jerked it, and nothing. These hooks are amazing, not an ad. I don't even remember what they're called. These are great hooks. Actually, I do remember, I'll tell you now. These are the hooks, guys. They work like a charm. Yeah, the little carps are starting to please us. Right now. Of course, it's a bit cramped for them here. Without a kindergarten? Well, what can you do? Right. Addition. The addition is happening? Mostly it's all fish. Exactly from this reed. I've already made a clearing like this. I used to catch Crucian carp here. The reeds got a little trampled down, and I ended up with this kind of clearing, and that's where I cast. There are always bubbles there, so the fish are always moving. And the duckweed doesn't drift there, so the float stays steady, and the fish are always present in those reeds. It's not deep there, but the fish are present, and here I have my fishing rod set up. I just reeled it in and tried casting again near the reeds. Nothing, not a single bite, even with bait. That spot doesn't work at all, but here it's fine. There was a bite. Girls. Whoa. That's a beast. No, that's a menagerie. Whoa. Look at that Crucian carp. Just look at that Crucian carp, guys. Well, that's just a monster. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. I don't know how to show you how wide it is. How wide the Crucian carp is. Size 43 foot. And here is the Crucian carp. I'll find a scale and we'll weigh it. I think it's here about 1.5 kilos too. A beast, just a beast. Oh wow, that's a real beauty for sure. That's a handsome one. Damn, the hook held up. Phew, I'm really overwhelmed. Catching Crucian carp like these is nothing like fishing at a pay pond. In a wild river, monsters like these. I'm not sure. What do you think? Black. With a yellowish tint. Well damn, I don't know. No, not every day. Such a catch happens, I want to tell you. Here's a whole bucket. My emotions are overflowing, and all from the same window. Whew, got it. I'm doing something like this. A torn worm. I hook 2 or 3 maggots together. That's the kind of treat it takes. It won't take a regular worm, only this type works. I'll give some free advertising. Real fishu. I was feeding them with this bait. Linka 1. From Real Fish, I picked the cottage cheese one, hoping for the best. Hoping to catch a lin. But as you can see, the lin isn't biting. Instead, these monster hogs are biting. Fraction, look how big it is. Good bait. I'm out of millet and sunflower cake, so I'm making 1 bomb. And that's about it. Every hour and a half I throw some in, right into this spot. You can immediately see the bubbles start. The fish come closer. Basically, the bait works pretty well. You can use it. Oh. Come here. Bro. Guys, look what's going on. The boars keep coming and coming. This one, about half a kilo. Karasik. Compared to that boar, of course, it's small, but still, look at the size. The size and color are black. We'll take it for now. We'll take it for now. Maybe they need fresh water. I'll change it now. Damn. Whoa, damn. No way. Phew, the guy saw it. What a beast came off. Well, here are our worms again. It will serve me. It will serve. I'll cast it one last time. There's already no space left on the card. They're running out? Yeah, honestly, I've caught enough for today, but maybe I'll catch one more for good luck. Yeah, I'll be heading home. I'm casting my line. As usual. As usual? Right in the center. Here. Come here. Družok. Look, guys. This is what I was talking about for the horse. I caught it for the horse. I'll try again for the mare. I can't hold back. Look at its shape. Black. It's a small Crucian carp, of course, but it's so wide and heavy. A very strong Crucian carp. This isn't the lake one. A Crucian carp from the river. It's the strongest. I wonder how the carp here are. Like this, probably the smallest one for today. About 250 grams. A little Crucian carp like that. I've already caught one for the mare, caught one for the horse. I could even catch one for a Przewalski's horse, another one. Here's what we managed to get. Caught today. The size is excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. Guys, a dozen. A dozen Crucian carps. Here is my foot. And here are the Crucian carps. Guys, I'll come again the day after tomorrow with a fishing rod and side nod. And I want to try to catch something bigger, like a carp for example, or a big tench. Well, at least I'll catch some 3 kilo Crucian carp. If anyone wants to see that kind of fishing in the future, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the bell and turn on all notifications. So you get notifications about my new videos. That's it, guys. For those who enjoyed it, good luck and goodbye. See you next time.